now, 27 Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Hopman.
Well, if you've been out and about throughout the day today, you know one thing for sure. It is cold out there. Temperatures right now sitting in the upper teens across much of the region. 19 degrees in Madison currently, but those winds are the real issue here because northwesterly winds, they're only up to around 7 miles per hour. That's not necessarily all that significant. But once you have those winds paired with temperatures in the teens, you start talking about those feels like temperatures getting way too low for comfort. So wind chill values right now in the teens and the single digits across the area. In fact, many of us precariously close to below zero wind chill values. It feels like zero in Montello, Camp Douglas, Baraboo right around 6 degrees with that wind chill value. Madison, a feels like temperature of just 10 degrees. So if you are going to be out and about over the next few hours, bundle up, folks. It is going to get even colder. So right now we're sitting about 19 in Madison. By 7, we're down to around 15, 13 degrees by 9 o'clock. Overnight low temperatures tumbling to the single digits area-wide. We wake up to a morning low temperature at its lowest point here in Madison in about 2 weeks. Last time we saw a temperature as cold as 4 degrees in Madison was the morning of December 21st. That's when we fell to 0 in the capital city. 2 in Baraboo tomorrow morning, 5 in Janesville. But that's before you factor those winds into the equation. Then we start talking about those feels like temperatures diving as low as -10 to -15 essentially across the southern half of the state. If you don't have to be out and about early tomorrow morning, maybe just stay inside. Enjoy a nice warm cup of coffee because it will be unforgiving, to say the least, early tomorrow morning. By 7 o'clock, we're about 5, 8 o'clock, about 6 degrees. We will see more sunshine tomorrow, and that's going to allow temperatures to rebound back up into those upper teens. By our lunch hour, we're pushing right around 16. Afternoon high temperatures about 19 degrees on Saturday. Now, we are looking at relatively quiet conditions tomorrow evening. 16 at 5, by 7, right around 13 degrees, but overnight lows tumbling right back down into the single digits. A few light clouds, keeping temperatures closer to 6. Come Sunday, we reach a high temperature of around 20 degrees on Sunday, plenty of sunshine, but again, wind chill values throughout the day, likely in the single digits, but that's the worst it gets here on Saturday and into Sunday. It'll be a very different story off to the south of us. Heavy snowfall and ice accumulation likely across parts of the Midwest, the Ohio Valley, over the next 24 to 72 hours. Some areas under winter storm warnings, ice storm warnings, and that is all because we could be dealing with anywhere between 10 to 15 inches of snowfall and up to an inch of ice in spots. A major winter weather system that will only keep things cooler on the back edge. After that passes to the east of us, Monday into Tuesday, the bottom drops out again and we only reach a high temperature of 14 next Wednesday.